Welcome to this instructional video on how to fetch an Easytrieve program from a source code repository, such as Endeavor and PDSs. This video will demonstrate the first step in Easytrieve program development lifecycle, which is fetching a copy of Easytrieve source code to your local workspace in VS Code from Endeavor and PDS. Let me start with the commonly used source code management application on the mainframe, Endeavor. To do this, we first need to install another Broadcom VS Code extension, called Explorer for Endeavor. Once installed and configured, an Easytrieve program residing in Endeavor can be fetched, copied, and pasted to the local workspace. Once it is edited, you can save it back to Endeavor manually. Here we have an Easytrieve program which resides on Endeavor, and we can simply fetch it in edit mode, copy the code, paste it into a local file in Workspace, and start editing. Once the code changes have been made, you can paste it and save it back to Endeavor. The same can be done with PDSs, in case you have Easytrieve source code in PDSs. To do this, we need to install an extension called Zoe Explorer, published by Open Mainframe Project in VS Code Marketplace. Once installed and configured, the datasets in the mainframe can be accessed. The Easytrieve programs which are residing in these datasets can be fetched, copied, pasted back to the local file, just like we demonstrated before with Endeavor. In case your code is residing in Git, then the Git repository could be cloned and edited right away in the VS Code. For more information on the Easytrieve VS Code extension, please visit Visual Studio Code Marketplace. Thank you.